Alright guys, I got this wisteria plant. I'm going to put it in the ground. We're putting it up here in this front flower bed. I'm hoping to train it into some type of tree. It has 3 vines. I'm going to be twisting them together or braiding them so that as they get bigger it supports the top. First thing I'm going to do is measure, make sure I get it centered, and then clean off the mulch. After that, I'm going to cut a hole in the weed barrier and then dig a hole. Well, there you have it. Once the vines reach the top of these bamboo shoots, I'm going to get some longer bamboo, and at that time I will twist these together. I'm going to go ahead and prune some of the lower ones off. Thanks for watching.